we're going. I will do the beat. This will make some more of things like make some more. I will use what? Ding 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 ding. Guitar. And for F music, guitar will trip. The third one is the electric guitar. 2. 2, 1 goes. So first, put up in here when the stage is open up. Like this. So this will be like this. Ring. So it will be like this for minutes to go. Guitar. When I receive guitar, let's see when go bow. I have made it like when I receive finish dance, we go into go bow. Point directly to 90. Show black to second, sec to x and minus 28. Yeah, 65. You got into go bow B and she will say that is the show of the drum. Please clap your hand, proc. And the clapping says the second one is guitar. Come on, guitar. Then the come on, guitar. We open up broadcast guitar. When I receive broadcast guitar, the broadcast guitar, she will give up. Can it become like switch backdrop to the other one? Theater. Then when I receive guitar. When I receive guitar. Then this we go into guitar. Just to get it. Then after that, show. Then when it click it, she will high tight. Show. When is click it? Height. Right, we need to make a number, or we can just click it. Now I'll make the guitar as clicking it. Okay? So it's super duper easy. When it's click it, sound be what? Yeah, I'll make A B C D E F G A B C D E F A B C D E F G. The last one is 2. Now let's try. A B C D E H, not this. Now we make 2 because it before the C2. So I doesn't have C2. How? So just pick C and 2. We make it 2. So let's use our sound. Play sound. After that, oh, wrong. Change it to a place that we can put it. 1, 2, 3, and duplicate. I forget one. This is for you. 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 Is it for you? Sha la 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 la. Change to A, change to B. So you can make your B yourself. Change to C. C. D. Follow it. E. F. G. And oh wrong, this is change to G and T to come try. Hello boy, come back with me, go. To the music party. The main instruments. The first one is drum. Please clap your hand. Come on, drum. This should come here. That is shows the drum. Please clap your hand. Come on, guitar. Then three. Good. Do to all over. Ha. Oh, okay, now we made it. Let's just copy previous. Control V. Okay, I like right. Control V. Good. So I made it. We need to make it the same. There be all the need to hang it all. Duplicate. I'll have duplicated. Change to A. Oh. Could we use? Oh, okay. Because A, B, C, D, E, and so G. The H, I, J, K, L, M. Because C, wrong. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 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 G. And the last one is number 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then duplicate this. Now it's ready. But we just need to change the costume. Costume, 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 costume. Then we pick music. We use guitar, 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 guitar. Guitar, 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 when you are in here. Guitar, 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 guitar. Now make music. Boom. Just get one more. That's choosing I made it. Right. But how? Yeah. It must be the last. But how? We made it. I know. Okay, wait, come on. So we'll give the people wait 0, wait just 6 seconds, wait 6 seconds. Then she will do closing up, duplicate sequence together too. Finish the round. Finish guitar. You can give it how many that you love. Finish guitar. Okay. After it be, give guitar. When I receive duplicate. Code this and finish guitar. Go to high place. Duplicate this to again. Then I same as this. Then receive finish guitar. Finish guitar, then hide it. Select block, then duplicate. Finish. Try. Done. Switch back to the other two. So drum. Please clap your hand. The second one, guitar. Come on, guitar. Hey, guitar doesn't work. Finish. Oh, wrong. Finish guitar. Now, finish guitar. When I receive finish guitar. Now finish guitar. Duplicate. Okay, when I receive it. There is the show of guitar. Change it become guitar. just clap your hand. Second one is Surya. Surya. I think it will be with saxophone and trumpet. The third the third one is guitar, and the third one is trumpet and saxophone. Come out. Trumpet, saxophone. When you're reconnecting, go to the place and hide. Broadcast trumpet and trumpet and saxophone. Okay? Pick trumpet and saxophone. Music, 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 music. Saxophone, saxophone, saxophone. And trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. Trumpet, trumpet. I said the musical things, but I didn't want to make it so hard, so it's made me good. So when it's good click, it will. Okay, when it's good hide, and when I receive to say before, when I receive, I'll change the saxophone. I'm saxophone, I'm changing to trumpet saxophone, trumpet saxophone, and trumpet saxophone. Stop it! What should I do? This is not what I want to do. After that, when you show. The same tool. It will be hide. This one will show. Good, no. Show trumpet and show. Show trumpet and show. After that. Okay, so this is already become music party. Sorry, I'm changing music party 2. I receive it and music now because I made it. It was to have music party 2, but still we can get. So have your computer. So stop because you can see this. We make 2 choose. Okay, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe and the bell. Okay, and share and like this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.